Okay, I think we can start. So hello, Metal3, welcome to the community meeting. Today is Wednesday, May 19, 2021. Just a small reminder that this meeting is recorded and the content will be uploaded into the YouTube channel of the Metal3 project. And before we start, please put your name into the attendee list. And also, if you have anything that you want to discuss, please put it into the agenda. Okay. So first of all, anyone, if we have anyone new in the call, and if you don't have any chance to introduce yourself, please go ahead and I will mute myself meanwhile. Okay, so so the first items from Ricardo, I think he want to announce about ironic inspector image report. Please go ahead, Ricardo.
Yeah, thank you. We are basically almost done with merging the ironic inspector image with the ironic image. There are still a couple of things to check. And by the way, thanks Nam for taking care of the latest issue with the HTTP server instance that we found. I just wanted to start the process of retiring the ironic inspector image repository. I was thinking we can give like some time to inform anyone using it, just updating the README to say that we are deprecating the repository, and then give a time frame for the actual retirement. And then I'm actually not sure what to do next in terms of, well, I don't have, of course, I don't have like a write privilege on any repositories. So I'm not sure how do we want to actually close the repository and block any any pull request, any commit. But yeah, we'll start with updating the README. And I was thinking maybe give like a couple of weeks of time for between the deprecation and the actual retirement, or even more, like 4 weeks, something like that.
Yeah, in my opinion, I think a couple of weeks are okay. So people know about the retirement of this repo and they can prepare.
All right.
But by the way, do we have anyone who is the maintainer of this repo? If anyone want to share anything, any thought about this one? Like what should we do next after a couple of weeks?
Because I'm just on the reviewers list, but I don't think I have the actual ownership. I think someone with higher level of ownership should take care of removing the access to that. But we can discuss like later in like next week or in 2 weeks after updating the README.
Yeah, I think this is Steve Hardy. I can't remember who exactly is in the maintainer list. I think I might be. It may have been created by Russell, but I'm sure we can find someone who can adjust that. I think in previous repos, we've sometimes done a commit that removes all the content and just leaves a README saying, this is deprecated. And if you want to see the contents, you can just check it out and then, go to the previous commit from the head.
All right.
then we would need to, as you mentioned, just make it so that pull requests and issues are no longer active on that repo. But I can't remember the exact process to do that, but I'm sure we can figure that out after the the 2-week period has completed.
Okay, thank you. Yep, cool. Thank you, Ricardo. Yeah, so just so let's do that. Let's have more discussion after 3 or 4 weeks. Anyone else want to say anything about the ironic inspector image repo? Otherwise, we can move to the next item from Dimitri. Please go ahead.
Hi, folks. So this is a design proposal for customizable deploy. We agreed last week that we merge it if there are no objections. I think we haven't recorded any objections. There were a bit of discussion about some minor aspects, but Doug explicitly said they're not blocking.
Okay, so anyone want to discuss about this? If
I don't know who has LGTM rights on Metal3 docs. It's definitely not me. So
okay, let me check it. We have Steve, Russell. Yeah, so I also think that if there is no objection, so yes, I think we can merge this proposal.
yeah, Steve or Zane, maybe you could check it.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think, over time we may want to review that owners list and try and sort of expand the group of approvers a bit more, because I know that some people on that list are less active in the community than they once were. We recently added Andrea, who had been doing a lot of good detailed reviews. So yeah, we can obviously keep monitoring that and look to update the list as the people involved changes over time. But yeah, absolutely. I'm sorry, I've been a bit busy with other things, Dimitri, but I'll take another look at that today.
Okay.
Great, thank you.
Okay. Anyone want to have continue to discuss about this proposal? Or do we have any other item? Otherwise, I think today, this community meeting today will be like the shortest meeting in the history of Metal3 project. You're not wrong. No? Okay, let's try to do the issue triad. Okay. Let's see if we have any issue. Just this one. Yes, so we have a couple of issues here. The first one today is the MariaDB. I think I saw this one, yes, this one last week. The fix for this issues has been merged. So I wonder how should we do with this issue? I think that only the author can close this issue, right?
You can try /close as a command. If you have enough rights, you can do that.
What? Sorry?
Close.
Closed. Like this?
No, not close, just close as a verb.
See, yeah, sorry. No, I think I don't have the right. Oh,
you do?
Cool. Yeah. Cool. Okay. The next one. This one, run Golang as the binary to remove dependency. Is the author inside the call? No. Currently, Golang has been used as dependency implementer operator. This will increase the binary size. It falls that dependency suggests as this guy Golang can be used as a binary thing. Okay, so can this true PR solve this issue? Golang as binary. Yes, I think this one can solve the issue. Still under review, I guess. Okay. Okay. This one should be not a feature. I don't have any idea what label should I put here. Like, okay, let's put it. It's not bug, but just like feature. Let's see. Okay. Okay, the next issues provide steps that allow dropping fields from the public API.
I know the context of this if you're curious, but
Yes.
actually the context in the description. There was an idea to add a new field that will supersede the rotational field on the host. So we need to figure out what we do, how we go about deprecating fields, because it's not exactly clear if we should like probably have a new API version. But I personally don't know how it's done in Kubernetes world.
Okay. So how should we move forward with this one?
I guess somebody has to sit down and actually figure out, probably somebody familiar with Kubernetes practices. It's probably closer to a feature than to a bug, although it's really neither.
Yeah, okay.
It sounds
So-
more like a feature, I agree. We need a design doc for a discussion for this one, for sure.
Okay, so that means I should put this like not doc, right? So the feature. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Next one, go mode for public API, broken controller tool object generation. Also from the same author. Is this one? Anyone have like take a look at this issue? Yeah, I think I can see that we have like a conversation going on.
Yes, currently the issue is I can add some notes, but a lot of people commented on this issue. It's currently under discussion because it also touches other relevant PRs that are currently ongoing, like the webbook. I think the discussion is still open, and maybe there could be a short-term solution for the specific problem, even though we started also a discussion for the longer term, which is related to the kind of exposed API.
Okay. Okay, so I will put this as a bug, and okay, let's see, because yeah, as you said, we still have the conversations going on here, and okay, let's see. So the last one. What's wrong with my yes? Change the power state in ready host causes manual cleaning. This is from Jen. Jen, do you want to say anything about this?
Yeah, it's a bug. I have a PR up for it.
Okay. Yeah, so this PR supposed to fix the problem, right?
Should do, yeah.
Okay.
But there's some other stuff in that PR as well. But yeah, it should fix the problem.
Okay, thank you. So these are all the issues that we have now. Anyone have any other issue, any other idea, anything to discuss? Otherwise, I think we can close the meeting today. So thank you very much for joining the meeting today.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Bye
See ya.
bye.